Give you guys any updates. You can see here that I finally got all that lettuce thinned out, and I've got new stuff going, and I've cleared out a couple rails just so it doesn't really get thick. The beets, we're still eating off of them using cut and go. Same with that Swiss chard down there and the pak choi. And here I've got this is a DWC, and I'll just stick some of the suckers off of my plants in there and give them to the neighbors and that, so they can get their gardens going. Now I've pruned back most of my plants here. You can see that they've gone clear up to the lights there. On the other side over there, they've even climbed above the lights and almost to the ceiling. And I'll just let you see how much fruit there is on these. Now these first three plants are a greenhouse tomato, and then it starts the sweet 100s, and then the big beef and sweet 100s and big beef right on down the line. And I planted a couple in here the other day, this black crim. They've only been in here about 6 days maybe, but you can see everything is going good. Now here on the end, I've got another black crim there and there. I put 3 of them in here. Now here is these cucumber plants, and you can see that I've got a cucumber going about every 6 inches, and up here these have gone clear over the top and started back down, and it's like this one here. You can see that it's just about reached the bucket already again, and you can see there is some nice sized cucumbers developing on this. There's another one that's gone up and over, and it's halfway down. These are just 4 plants, and these are that Iznik, IZNIK cucumbers that I get from Johnny's Seeds, and they germinate like in 24 hours. They do grow a bunch. So I'll just back up here and you can see around how those plants are doing. And that should give you a pretty good update on what I've got going. And on my NFT rails here, you can see the bok choy, and I've got some romaine and stuff coming up, and I got cilantro and some other different variations of lettuce. Plus I have a whole bunch in my nursery where I start my plants at to go in there. But this is just an update. Everything is going good. No disease, no problems. It sure makes it easy to keep track of when you have everything going like this. Okay, that's going to do it on this update.